You sit down to write your sales page. You open a blank document and immediately that voice in your head starts. I have no clue where to even begin. What if I waste hours and still get it wrong? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone.
The blank page is terrifying for business owners trying to write sales copy. You know you need it, you know your product deserves better marketing, but where do you actually start? Do you begin with the headline, the opening paragraph? Do you talk about your product first or the customer's problems? Should you tell a story or jump straight to the benefits? The questions pile up, the cursor blinks, and nothing gets written. Most entrepreneurs either procrastinate indefinitely or just start writing whatever comes to mind and hope it works. Both approaches lead to the same place, wasted time and mediocre results. Here's the truth, professional copywriters don't start by writing, they start with research, and there's a specific process you can follow. First, go to Amazon and find books your target customer reads. Read the 1-star and 2-star reviews. People tell you exactly what frustrates them in negative reviews. Write down their specific complaints and the exact language they use. Second, join Facebook groups and online forums where your target audience hangs out. Look for posts where people ask for help or complain about problems. Copy their exact words. This is the language that resonates. Third, survey your existing customers or email list. Ask them, what was your biggest struggle before you found this solution? Their answers become the foundation of your sales copy. Fourth, create a simple spreadsheet. List all the pain points you've discovered. Group similar frustrations together. Identify patterns in the emotional language people use. Once you have this research, you know exactly where to start. You begin with the most common pain point as your opening hook. You structure your sales letter using the problem, agitate, solve framework. You use your customers' actual words throughout the copy. This manual approach works. It's what professional copywriters charge thousands of dollars to do because it's the foundation of all effective sales copy. But here's the problem. This research process takes days, sometimes weeks if you're doing it for the first time. You need to know where to look, what questions to ask, and how to organize everything you find. The Robert Hawkins copywriting system automates this entire first step. Phase 1, pain point analysis, provides structured research that gives you exactly what you need. Instead of spending days manually gathering data from multiple sources, you use a step-by-step system that identifies your customers' pain points in minutes, not hours, not days. Then Phase 2, the sales letter engine, writes the actual sales letter for you, and Phase 3, the headline wizard, gives you dynamite headlines to choose from. The system was created by a marketer who built a multi-million-dollar business using these exact principles. You always know you've covered every step necessary because it's all built into the system. You get professional results without spending weeks on research. Click the link in the description to learn more about the Robert Hawkins copywriting system and finally know exactly where to begin.